Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm adding a little Caribbean sprinkles and vibes. I am from the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago to be specific, and I believe in representing where you come from, hence the reason for the Caribbean themed introduction. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my god, I forgot to say what this channel would be about. So I decided to just start up a small lip gloss business. So the viewers have the opportunity to literally see me grow my business. So if you're interested in starting a lip gloss business yourself, you would see the stuff that I do and you could take pattern to it, or you could add your own little twist to it. So I am recording this and it is literally night, but I was so determined to make this video. So we're just going to use some Clorax, multi-purpose cloth, pine sol, and a bowl that is supposed to be filled with water. I don't know why it isn't filled with water, so I am going to fill this up with water, so I will be right back. And we are back with some water. So I am starting off with a semi-clear table, and the reason why I said it was semi-clear is because the bowl is on the table, which obviously makes the table not clear, right? So we just dip in the cloth in some diluted Clorax water, and we're going to move the bowl now for more space, you know, more space, you dig? Right, so we're going to move the bowl to another dresser at the side, and we are going to wipe the table with the diluted Clorax water. If you have a Caribbean mother like my own, let me tell you this: try not make the Clorax touch the curtain, else hell roll. I literally had to place some stuff inside of the makeshift organizer because of the structure. It kept falling down. So in here we have latex gloves and plastic cups, you know, for the mixing. Along with the plastic cups, you're going to put some plastic spoons in this compartment. We have pure coconut oil. We'll go with the gloves. Let me just show the table so far. We have some pipettes. I just bought a whole set of these. So there we go in there. We have some cute. I don't know what you call it, gold dust bags or dust bags, but they're cute, okay? Peep this. We have this design and we have another design. So this one is a rose and this one is a butterfly. I low-key think that they might be too small, but you see the first error? Probably they're too small, but anyway, as time goes on, we would see. Oh, I bought these bags. I bought two of these bags, two different colors. I don't know why. I just saw them in the store and I was like, okay, these look cute, buy them. So I have them. So all these bags are going to go into, and you see, I stocked up on these without even saying, okay, well, consider the size of lip gloss tubes, but whatever, mistakes are to be made and you're supposed to learn from them. Have some glitter. We have 4 different colors. We have, this is a royal blue, this is So kind of orange, gold, and pink. So I would do a limited edition with these colors. On this side here we have some designs that I think that these will go in the tube. They're really cute, honestly, they're cute. You don't know how much I am excited to do this. I am excited to do this because I love lip gloss. I'm not even lying. Lip gloss is life. But besides that, let's begin to put the designs in this one. This compartment going to be filled with the glitter and stuff, but they haven't arrived as yet, so just going to have these limited edition colors in there. A book is necessary. Peep what the book says. You can never have too much happy, and I totally agree. And I got this cute pen to match with it, just because. First page, I did some orders already. In the back has information like how much a certain item costs, how much does it cost to clear the item from customs. There's also a list of ambassadors in the back here. So we have this cute book with this cute pen for recording information, and that would go in the first compartment. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more detailed information like this. The next video that is going to be uploaded would be the unboxing of my Amazon products, which includes the Versa Gel, the lip gloss tubes, the flavor, and much more. Stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell to be notified.